I swear, man, I swear. Every time I want to paint, the wind just blows. Every time. I can tell you the whole day it was not blowing at all. Alright, update time. This is the third round I have done the filling on this panels that you see here. So what I did first round is that if you've seen previous episodes, I've already fiberglassed it, and then I have also already filled it. But unfortunately, when I started sanding, a lot of material was sanded away. In order to get a good surface, I sanded a lot of material away, and that I've even sanded into the fiberglass resin area. So in order to fix what I've done, I decided to fill it one more time. Now the second filling was not done very well. My mixture was wrong. The hardener and filler ratio was incorrect, and because of that, the filler never dried, and I have to scrape it all away and do it all over again. This is actually the third try. I've done it yesterday. I filled it and I've sanded it, and this time my ratio was correct and it dried within hours actually. Now, is the work very good? I wouldn't say so lah. Could I have done better? Maybe marginally better lah, but it is as best as I can do, give or take, almost as best as I can do it without having to redo everything all over again. So I think this is my final do already. I am going to paint over this surface. I am not going to sand it anymore. It's not perfect, but I can live with this. So I am going for this paint right here. It's Pilox again. I think this paint is pretty good. I'm going for TR946 47 matte black. Matte black for all of this unit here. I'm not going to go for blue or whatever. I'm going for matte black. Pilox paint. Alright, so I will show you how I paint them right now. I swear, man, I swear. Every time I want to paint, the wind just blows. Every time. I can tell you the whole day it was not blowing at all until I lay the newspaper for painting. Seriously, why? I'm not kidding you, man. You know, I observed this the first few times when I was painting the rim, and I realized, okay, it may be confirmation bias. You know, you're looking for something, and then it happens, and then you think that it's not happening until you were doing it. But seriously, man, I'm not kidding with you. This time it is. You don't see this thing turn so much in such a short period of time. Oh well, I guess I have to put more stones around the newspaper to prevent it from smudging the paint. Alright, one layer is done. I will come back and do a second layer in about half an hour. Okay guys, I have two layered the panels that I've painted. They are now black. As you can see, all of them are black. Nice stuff, two layers. Am I fully satisfied with my work? Well, I'm okay with it. Can it be improved? Well, definitely. Can I improve it further? Yeah, but it may not be worth my time. So I've done almost everything that I can to repair them. If you're not scrutinizing, they look fine. So when the car is finished painting, they are going back into the vehicles. Alright, can't wait to see them back into their elements. Alright, finally.